Stay tuned for the right way to upgrade your audio in your 23.5 CVO and up, Street Glide, Road Glide, anything with the Skyline Infotainment Center. All right, today we have some great products from the Hertz SPL show line with their 6.5, 6x9s, their 500 watt amp, their 900 watt amp. But right off the bat, I want to go into the Lifestyle Cycles A2B solution that's going to help you integrate those the right way into your motorcycle. Since your motorcycle doesn't actually have a sound output coming out of the display, it's decoded in the Rockford Fosgate amplifier, either the silver one or the black one, to convert that A to B signal into actual musical sound. Up until now, people have been doing things like putting a line output converter with that amplified signal going into an amplifier, and it's just not the right way to do it for sound quality and great sound reproduction. Lifestyle Cycles has the A to B solution that allows you to take that factory amplifier out of there, have more room in the fairing so you can now put larger amplifiers in there and get more power out of them. It's a real clean way to do it, and it's as plug and play as you get. When you buy a system from us, we do all the work for you. You're just going to unplug your amplifier, plug this into it, plug this end into our A to B interface. We're going to put the Molex connector for the Hertz amplifier right on the harness. You've got a remote turn-on wire, your RCAs go into the amp, and that's it. We can even bolt everything together for you to where the amp is mounted to our bracket with this on here as well. And then you literally just unbolt your amplifier, unplug it, and plug this in, and the connections are done. We've got both a standard model, which is just designed to plug in, and it'll give you 8 5-volt RCA outputs to your amplifiers, however you want to do it. And then you can just do all of your tuning right on the amplifier. If you'd like, we also have the Pro model. The Pro model does everything that the standard does, but it has full DSP, time alignment, you name it. And an unheard of 1,024 bands of EQ. High pass, low pass, band pass, however you want to set it up. If you want to cross over at 630 Hertz and then 631, 632, it's infinite on how much that you can actually tune this processor. We've primarily just been doing the Pro models so far because it really allows us to tune the system to exactly what it should be. We've already got a completely flat EQ curve coming out of the A to B solution since it's a digital signal, but then when you're allowed to tune it with the processor, it really takes a good system and makes it sound amazing. If you don't know what a DSP is, it's much like an engine dyno. If you go put a bunch of motor work into your bike and you just start driving, it's going to run really bad. This allows us to dyno tune the audio system to where everything's going to perform at its optimum level for great sound quality and help keep you from blowing anything up in your system. So if you have a 23.5 CVO and up touring model, the Street Glide, the Road Glide, the Limited, you name it, anything with the 11-inch Skyline Infotainment Center in it, check out the stuff we've got here from Hertz and the A to B solution for the right way to do the audio kit the first time. Again, we've got brackets for the Road Glide and the Street Glide, no Velcroing, no double back tape. This is mounted in there the way Harley would have done it to make it last for years without vibrating loose or rattling around in your fairing like the people used to do in the old days. We're past all that. We can now actually make brackets. Check all this stuff out today and more at the Lifestyle Cycles online megastore, where you always get free shipping on any purchase over $50.
Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.